Exercise is a required nutrient. It's going to help dampen down the stress hormones in your body, and it's going to lift up the healing hormones. It's going to help you not only feel better, but your mind is going to be clearer. You're going to think better. How many times have you been stuck in some stinking thinking, and then you went for a walk, you went for a run, you got moving, you stretched, you did some yoga, Pilates, some HIIT training, whatever it is. And then you get out on your bike, you're cycling, what have you, and you just feel amazing after. And it's very important to your immune system because it helps push the toxins and the things that your immune system and your lymph system, it's like the janitorial system of the body, is trying to get rid of those toxins so your body can function to an optimum. Helps with circulation. So when it's time to rest, rest. Yes, exercising too much can actually dampen your immune system. It can drag your immune system and make you more vulnerable. Listen to your body. PAIN stands for pay attention inside. Now, you remember that acronym? This is not the time, no pain, no gain. All right, who needs to let that go? All right, this is about listening to your body. You do a workout and you have some symptoms, then either skip a workout, go back a level of the workout, or then keep the same level of workout and see if you get the same symptoms next time. That's what you want to be doing. And then timing, make sure that you're getting proper rest and sleep. Give yourself some rest throughout the day if that's an option for you. Even a 10 to 15 minute nap